So right now I'm heading into the forest to a secret spot to find some mushrooms.
Hi guys.
And Owen's with me.
Hi.
The woods, you got it just like this. Fully prepared with all the mosquitoes that we have in here. So we go on a hike. That's what you have to do. And there's my sister. So I haven't zipped it all the way up, but this comes all the way up. And then it kind of protects you from all the mosquitoes. So sometimes when you stand still, they like to kind of swarm you. Ticks too. We get ticks here in the forest, so it's good to be well protected. I stumbled upon these mushrooms and I don't know what they are, but we're gonna take a look. I think they're hedgehogs. They're large hedgehogs. Oh my goodness, these are big ones. Okay, look at this. Take a look at this. Gorgeous. So gorgeous.
Go all around.
I know, I'm gonna, yeah. I might have to get my knife out for this one. So what you want to do is you're gonna cut the head off here. We don't need that. I'm gonna leave the mycelium to grow in the forest. So you're gonna leave this part that stays here. And so when you grab them, you basically just kind of cut them here. And we're gonna take it still beautiful. Look, the under part is gorgeous. Look at all that teeth it still has. So we've got some beautiful hedgehog mushrooms right here. Look at that. See? Okay, so I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but we found golden chanterelles. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Look what we found. So this is a golden chanterelle, highly prized, delicious, meaty mushroom. And we're just gonna get to the bottom of it. I wanna show you how gorgeous this thing is. Look at that. Very happy to find my first golden chanterelle, thanks to my sister who showed me this secret spot that she has. It's amazing, the feeling when you find these beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. We're gonna pick some and then we're gonna go home and cook them and eat them. Beautiful mushroom. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a whole bunch. Like if you look at, see all those golden color, you can spot them. They're all around. There's like 1, 2, it's like amazing finding treasure, and they're everywhere. I want to give you more shots of those chanterelles. They're all along. You can see them. Just gorgeous. So this is what we foraged today. My biggest prize of the day is this one here. And this one here. Gorgeous. There's our teeth. So I'm going to take this. And we're just going to take the knife and we're going to remove that. We don't want that. And then see these little sluggies. Zoom in the video.
Do you like it more sweet or do you like it more not sweet?
Sweetie. I like
Not
it
sweet?
Sweet. Look at that beautiful, gorgeous mushroom. I'm just gonna stir fry it. And enjoy this beautiful, beautiful mushroom. They're so good. Hedgehog.